Hey guys, we're back for another video. And I'm so ready to make slime. And I made this one, and I know you didn't see the first one, and I know you don't watch me because it's my first time. But I'm gonna show you how to make slime today. But if your parents say you can make slime, okay? Okay, so first we're gonna make glue. Okay. Oh, gotta take this out. Okay. Put it in there. And then baking powder, and then we can get this. Okay, and then we're gonna get a spoon and then mix it up. We're gonna get that, so I'll put that in first. But come on, we're good. And then I made this spoon. Mix it up. Okay, mix it up with a bowl. Okay. It's my mom. Okay. Good now. Okay. It's not that done yet. Okay. Mix it up. Or some more. Pop it. Take the lighter. Mix it. Okay. We use this too. Use this. I know I didn't show you it. Yeah, I showed you it fastest. But it's almost done.
I'm gonna take a nap real quick.
Okay. That's my mom. She's so pretty. So, just like Uncle B. Okay. And then I mix it up. No! Get off, man! The camera! It got slime on it. It got slime on it. No. Oh, slime, man. The slime was everywhere. Okay. Look at this one. This is more lighter and like softer. But look, I didn't make that one, so don't make that. Alright, we're just gonna mix it. Mix some more. And then we're gonna put some of that. Mix it again and again. Okay. Oh my God, it's so slimy. And I'm so almost done. And we put that in there. And then squeeze this in there. Mix it up. I know what I'm gonna do. Get all that in there. Get all that. Scramble it up. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Alright. Okay, did that. No, you just squeeze. No, don't go in there, buddy. That's why when my slime was like it. Okay. And then we put that in there. Okay, and then mix it up. Every basket, don't keep up until you go. And then we mix it up and then take all the lid out. It might be sticky like here. So, and there is your slime. Okay. It is amazing. Oh, excuse me, slime. And this is how you make slime. Take all of this out. Okay, guys? Okay? And then take all of it out. My hair's fluffy. I don't like that. And some people's hair is soft and some people's hair is not. But look at mine. Mine is another. But I love my hair. My hair is a creative, but your hair is too. So beautiful. Baking powder is it?
Thank you, Chancellor. For your support at the hearing. We owe you our lives.
Get it. Put this. Oh my god. That's the mess, bro. Oh. I'm so tired. More sticker. Oh no. Oh no, nose. I'm gonna take one. Oh my god. Tell me. You're in big trouble, son. We're done with that. There is our big slime.